Hey Evans, this is Corey. Real quick, shooting over your three quick tips. This is just going to help drive more traffic to your website and really bring in that quality work that you're looking for as well. So I'm just going to run through your website real quick. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing, content. Really bringing your word count up to about 1,500 words, 15 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer other keywords as well. Words you're actually trying to be found for, which I'll go over that in just a second. Even these images, what they're saved as, it's all content. You can actually be a little bit more specific with AC maintenance. You could do a little bit maybe like a buyer's intent keyword, like a specific location, like Orlando or something typed in there. Save it, which that'll make a big difference for your rankings. So that's your first tip. Bring your word count up. It's about 1,500 words minimum. Also, change out these pictures, the images. That'll just make a huge difference in your rankings. Now, if I just go inside of Google here and type in heater repair Fort Lauderdale, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees right here, which are brand new to Google. They came up with these to get rid of these old school ads. A lot of people have been going away with these because of because of all the spammy phone calls that have been coming in. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of those spammy calls. I've seen these things, anywhere from $40 to $130 a click, which, some people put ad blockers up too, so they don't even see them. So if you are running ads, sometimes they don't even reach a lot of people. So underneath the ad section, we have this little map here. This map section is going to be dealing with to get the rankings, is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has, but we obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition there. Underneath this map section is going to be dealing with all the organic rankings. This comes down to how authoric you are on your website. This is the first page of Google. And so you need enough content in there so you can be found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I go inside and take your URL here and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. So it looks like you got 73 referring domains, which is pushing back over just under 2,000 backlinks, realistically. Historically, it looks like you've had 46,000, and you got 23 keywords you're being ranked for, and you're getting not getting any traffic there. So we can come and see what you're actually ranking for. AC service Fort Lauderdale, 40 clicks. Quality air conditioning Fort Lauderdale, 20 clicks. You've got a lot of keywords that are good to be ranked for, but the only problem is that you're 40th, 30th, 60th position, so you're not getting any traffic from these because you're not ranking for them. Can I give you an idea of what your competitors here is doing here? This is Lindstrom Air Conditioning and Plumbing. Put them inside of Ahrefs. So you can see their position, the amount of traffic they're getting per keyword, and also the volume of clicks that happen per keyword as well. So kind of give you an example here. Emergency AC repair Fort Lauderdale, there's 20 clicks. He's getting a decent amount of traffic, even out of there's only 20. So that's kind of a bad example. So let's do this one. Air conditioning repair Fort Lauderdale, 100 clicks. He's getting a little traffic, about 11%. He's the third position. Ideally, I like to be around 15% of the traffic per keyword that you're actually trying to rank for. So really what you would want to do is come in and figure out all these keywords that if we need to add more, and really get a good volume and actually push enough power so that way we can actually rank for these keywords. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, would love a free custom game plan. Feel free to reach back out to me. You can give me a review on this, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much. Have a good day.